next for us is a very important condition in ophthalmology and in lens. We'll be talking about ectopia lentis. So, friends, what do you mean by the term ectopia? We have discussed earlier also ectopic, somewhere else, not in the normal place. So, lentis means lens. So, this is the condition where I can say the lens is displaced simply. Can I say there is a displacement of lens? Isn't it? Now, this is a very famous picture question. The moment I give you this picture and I ask you which syndrome, everyone, I'm sure you will be telling that this is Marfan syndrome, isn't it? So, it is a picture question also. I'm sure everybody can make out that we have the edge of this lens here. Yes, the edge of the lens is normally not seen in the pupillary area. So, once you see the edge of the lens, it simply means that there is a subluxation, right, everyone? Now, there are two terms, subluxation and dislocation. Subluxation means that lens is displaced, but some part of the lens is still there. Some part of the lens is still there in the pupillary area. Okay. So you can see some part of the lens, it is still present inside the pupillary area. We can see some part of the lens. What about dislocation? It is total displacement. Maybe it is gone into the vitreous cavity. Maybe it is coming into the anterior chamber, but this is not present in its normal position, and it is a displacement which is called as a complete displacement or complete dislocation. Okay, friends. So there are two different terms. Now, my question to you. What do you think is the most common cause of this subluxation? So, can I say trauma? There is a trauma, and because of that, there is an injury to the zonules. Yes, when the poor zonules are there, the weak zonules, the traumatized zonules are there, they're not able to hold the lens. So, the good zonules can pull the lens their way, isn't it? So, if I show you this picture again and I ask you where are the zonules weaken, can I say zonules are weaker in the inferior part? That's why good zonules are pulling the lens towards them. Okay, so this is a question. Can I say trauma is the most common cause of subluxation? Right. Now, there is a very famous question, a very famous term. What is ectopia lentis et pupillae? So remember, guys, this is a congenital condition. There is a congenital subluxation or a congenital displacement of the lens where the lens is going opposite to the pupil, where the pupil moves. Now you'll say, ma'am, pupil doesn't move. Yes, but see this picture, you will able to identify yourself.